So I've been getting this question, magkano ba yung kailangan mo na capital para kumita ka ng ganitong klaseng monthly dividends? Example, gusto mong kumita ng 20,000 per month, 50,000 or 100,000 per month in dividends. So magkano ba yung kailangan mong capital niyan? Or let's say for example, meron kang ganitong amount, meron kang 100,000, meron kang 1 million, meron kang 10 million, magkano bang dividends yung matatanggap mo every single month? Well, sa video ito, we're gonna answer all those questions. Tapos, make sure na panoorin mo ang video na ito because meron din akong gift para sa iyo. So yeah, let's go! Hi guys, Pilu here, and wag na natin itong patagalin para masagot natin yung mga questions na yon, like yung monthly dividends na kailangan mo, or if meron kang capital, magkano ba yung dividends na kikitain mo. So, meron akong ginawang calculator. So, tinatawag itong freedom calculator. So, and at the same time, ibibigay ko sa iyo ito so you can actually use it for free. At the same time, we're also developing this calculator para ma-integrate din namin sa Lodi app. So, if you don't know ano yung Lodi app, I'll just put a link top right of this video. You can check out yung Lodi app. Kung saan, basically, yan yung goal ko niyan, yung vision ko niyan is become a dividend success tool for dividend investor. So, if wala ka pang, you haven't created an account or you haven't downloaded yung Lodi app natin, so, again, check the link top right of this video. Tapos, ayun nga, let's hop into the laptop and I'll show you yung freedom calculator. Alright, so ito yung tinatawag kong freedom calculator. So, as you can see dito, so, na-review yung math natin. So, meron tayong mga formula na ginamit dito to get all these calculators. So, I have here 4 calculators. So, isa-isahin natin sila. So, first one is yung freedom number calculator. Okay? So, freedom number calculator. Tapos yung investment, monthly investment number, yung retirement calculator, and yung dividends calculator. Tapos, para magkaroon ka ng copy na to, I'll just put a link down in the description. Tapos, yung gawin mo is, once you click yung link na yun, mapupunta ka sa ganito, hindi mo siya ma-edit. Hindi mo siya ma-edit. And wala kang access to edit this one. So, what you're gonna do is punta ka lang sa file, and then, okay, punta ka dito sa, eto, make a copy. Again, punta sa file, and make a copy. Para meron kang copy of the calculator. Yun yung copy mo, yun na yung pwede mong pwede mo na siyang galawin. So first, let's talk first yung freedom number. So the number one question talaga na I get is that magkano ba yung capital na kailangan mo para kumita ka ng certain number of monthly dividends. So let's say for example, yung dividend na goal mo is gusto mo lang 20,000 per month. So dito, so lagay mo lang dito yung target monthly lifestyle mo. So ano ba yung, how much is yung monthly income na gusto mo para, yun nga, you'll be financially free. So let's say for example, gusto mo 20,000 per month. So 20K, so automatic na yan magko-compute. Tapos ito, interest rate, magkano ba yung interest or yung dividend rate ng investment mo? So let's say for example dito, may nilagay tayo dito na interest rate sa traditional banks, less than 1% lang yan. Tapos digital banks, around 4 to 6%. Tapos for dividend stocks or mga REITs, merong mga 6 to even 8% in dividends per year. So dito, I just added dito for 6%. So with that, yan yung interest or yung dividend rate. Tapos yung taxes, lagyan natin dito yung taxes din, which is 10% sa dividends mo. So yung freedom number, okay, yung capital na kailangan mo para kikita ka ng 20K per month is just 4.4 million pesos. So 4.4 million pesos. Tapos, kasi for example, okay, gusto ko increase yung monthly dividends ko. So ito lang, edit mo lang to. So let's say 50,000 yung goal mo. Ayun, so at least you need 11 million. So what if you're a little bit aggressive and gusto mo, may nakita naman akong investment na nagbibigay ng 8%. So lagay mo dito 8%. Ayun, you'd need 8.3 million pesos para ma-achieve mo yung 50,000 monthly income mo. However, what if you're conservative, like ayaw ko mag-risk, sobrang laki ng 8%, sobrang risky, I'll just put my money in digital banks. Let's say, digital banks at 4%, 4%, enter mo yan. So, you need, medyo malaki yung kailangan na capital, 16.7 million for you to earn 50,000 per month in dividends. So, yan yung tinatawag, itong calculator na to, this is what we call our freedom number calculator. So, depending on you, ano ba yung target monthly dividends na gusto mo, say 100,000, tapos 6%, yun, you'd be needing 22 million for you to hit this amount. Alright? Ngayon, the next calculator is our monthly investment number. So, magkano ba yung kailangan nating i-invest per month para makuha natin yung freedom number natin? So, let's say, for example, kanina, ito medyo malaki. So, ang gawin natin, let's start muna with 20,000. Pwede natin level 1 na freedom number. So, 4 million, 4.4 million. So, magkano bang kailangan natin i-invest per month? Tapos, ilang years siya to grow. So, let's say, for example, yung freedom number ko is 4.4 million. Ayun. Yan lang, para simple. Tapos, I can invest in the next, 20 years. Okay, tapos lagay natin yung investment natin a vehicle na nag-grow ng 6% interest per year. So, again, lagay natin sa digital banks or dividend stocks. Tapos, yung dividends mo, ni-reinvest mo lang. So, with that, automatic yan magko-compute na yung kailangan ko i-invest, i-save per month would be 9,400 pesos. So, by saving 9,400 pesos in the next 20 years at 6%, ma-achieve ko yung 4.4 million ko na goal. Okay? So, what if gusto ko bilisan? Gusto ko 10 years lang. Okay? So, medyo malaki yung kailangan kong i-invest on a monthly basis para ma-hit ko yung 4.4 million na goal ko. Tapos, if meron akong 4.4 million, again, meron akong 4.4 million, I put it in a vehicle na may 6%, ma-achieve ko yung 20,000 per month na dividend income ko. Okay? Tapos, next calculator naman is ganito. Like, let's say, eto gusto ko medyo malaki yung kailangan kong capital. So, 10 million yung goal ko. Tapos, gusto ko makuha siya in the next 25 years. Okay? Or actually, doable lang naman to, no? So, 14,000. So, let's make it, gusto ko malaki dito yung number. So, let's say, for example, 21,000 per month. Ang hirap naman yan. Parang isang sahod ko na yan, di ba? So, hindi naman pwede na i-invest ko lahat yan. Okay? So, yung next calculator na meron tayo dito is, eto, based lang on ano yung may invest mo on a monthly basis. So, let's say, for example, meron kang investment, initial capital, 5,000 pesos pa lang sa pera mo. Tapos, sabi mo na 20,000, medyo malaki yan. I'll just put, let's say, 5,000 per month lang. So, every month, 5,000 yung malalagay ko. Tapos, years to grow, I can invest it probably in the next 25 years. Example lang. So, at 6% interest, so let's say you put it in REITs, so 6%, after 25 years, meron kang 3.5 million pesos, diba? So, not bad pa rin. At least meron kang 3.5 million pesos. Tapos, what if you're still young ngayon, may a lot of years ka pa, let's say, you started at 20 years old, tapos you wanna retire, I don't know, like 50 years old. So, ilang years yan? 30 years, diba? Oh. So, meron kang 5 million at 50 years old. What if I don't wanna retire at 50 years old? Retire na ako by 55 years old. So, ayan to 35. So, meron kang 7 million just saving by 5,000 per month. What if sabihin mo na wala talaga akong capital, zero yan. Tapos I can invest 10,000 per month. Oh, di ba? So at 35 years, so you started at 20, tapos you wanna retire at 55, meron kang 14.1 million pesos. So what if you say ang layo naman ng 55 years old, 20 lang. Okay? So yun, meron kang 4.6 million pesos. So let's say for example, at the age 40, meron ka ng 4.6 million. The next calculator is yung dividends calculator. So, meaning, what if meron akong capital, magkano ba yung dividends na kikitain ko? So, based dun sa computation natin kanina, 4.6 million. So, 4, 6. Ayun. So, meron kang 20,000 per month once meron ka ng ganong capital. So, what if meron ka na ngayong malaking capital? So, I don't know, maybe napamana na may namana ka na malaking capital, or let's say for example, meron kang nakuha insurance. Let's say meron kang 10 million. Okay? So, dito lagay natin dito, 10 million. Tapos, you put it in REITs na may bibigay ng 6% per year, or digital banks at 4%, depending on you, asan mo siya ilalagay. Tapos, of course, may taxes na 10%. Ayun, meron kang 45,000 per month in dividends. So, this will answer the question na, what if meron kong capital, magkano ba yung dividends na kikitain ko? Itong retirement calculator naman is, if I invest monthly on a regular basis, Tapos, in a number of years, ito na yung makukuha kong retirement fund. Tapos, ito naman yung monthly investment number. So, let's say for example, meron akong target goal na capital. Let's say gusto ko ma-achieve 5 million na capital. Tapos, I have the number of years to save for it. Ito yung monthly na kailangan mong i-invest para makuha mo yung capital na goal mo. Tapos, ito naman, yung first calculator natin, yung freedom calculator is, let's say meron kang target monthly lifestyle. So, let's say yung target monthly lifestyle mo is 50,000. Then, mag-automatic compute yan magkano yung kailangan mong capital para ma-achieve mo yung target monthly lifestyle mo through interest and dividends. So, yeah, this is the freedom calculator. And if you want a copy of this one, just click the link in the description. Go to File and click mo tong Make a Copy. Tapos, by the way, itong freedom calculator, we're also currently developing this para it will also be included sa Lodi app natin, sa Lodi app. So if you haven't downloaded the Lodi app, I'll put also the link down in the description. Download the Lodi app and probably in a few days from now, few weeks from now, ma-integrate na din itong freedom calculator inside the Lodi app. So yeah, I hope you find this freedom calculator helpful. So yeah, that is it. I hope yung freedom calculator will be helpful sa inyo, especially in determining yung freedom number mo and yung mga dividends na matatanggap mo or yung kailangan mo na investments every single month para you will be living on dividends and interest. Tapos again, just click yung file tapos make a copy so you can make a copy of the calculator for free, or if you like, I highly suggest you download yung Lodi app. So I'll just put a link down in the description para ma-download mo si Lodi app, because sooner or later meron ng update kung saan yung freedom calculator will also be inside the Lodi app. So yeah, I hope you find this video valuable and helpful, and if you did, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Tapos consider subscribing so we can hit the silver play button and we can reach more Filipinos. And if you want to start your Lodi lifestyle journey with me, visit my website freedomloveph.com. Again, that's freedomloveph.com. I hope to see you inside. Once again, this is Tio Pilo, and yung goal natin is to live on dividends and interest. Bye-bye!